Hello everyone. So here we'll just go through the trend tracker analysis. So how exactly it's gonna help us to track the results. We'll see. So we'll apply the boundary conditions here. So there should be the fixed hinge, and even these two are of fixed geometry. And the loading condition on this particular face, I'll apply the unidirectional load of 2500 towards this direction, compressive. So you can utilize the mesh, curvature based default mesh. So once you define everything, you can directly utilize the trend tracker here, and the trend tracker got added. So if you run the study, it will capture the results according to your boundary conditions here. Okay, that is stress, displacement, and the mass results. Now here I'm gonna change the exactly thickness of it to 12 from 14. So I have reduced the thickness of it. So with respect to that, I'm gonna rerun the study instead of creating the one more configuration and making the new study. So here, whatever the results you're gonna get, it will be stored into the trend tracker. And in the trend tracker, you can see the mass got reduced from 232 on an average of 180, right? And same thing, stress got increased and the displacement got increased. So initially the factor of safety was 8, so right now it is 5.7. So this is how the trend tracker gonna track it. So now again I'm gonna make the changes to the design here. So I'll add a cutout to wall so that we can directly run the study accordingly with respect to that cutout. And with this, the results are already added. And now to just cross check the factor of safety, it is 3. So initially it was 8, we have reduced it to 3, and the trend tracker, you can see the mass got reduced and the stress got increased and the displacement got increased accordingly, and they are all under required rates. And finally I'm gonna make the changes into this extrude so that I can have a minimum thickness, so that with respect to this I can just cross check my results with trend tracker. So initially I made a whole cavity now, so I added a predefined thickness over there so that we can have a better results here. So the factor of safety got increased to 5.7. okay, like before it was 3. Now you can see the mass got increased slightly and the stress got decreased and the displacement got decreased, so it should not be more. So this is how the trend tracker gonna help us to track all the results with respect to the design changes. So this is one of the best tool to deal with our designs.